Welcome to bighomeprojects.com, your go-to website directory for trusted contractors and job opportunities. Ant infestations can be a real headache, especially when they keep coming back no matter how hard you try to get rid of them. Number 1. Incomplete elimination of the queen is often the issue. Most treatments only target the worker ants, the ones you see scurrying around, while the queen hides deep in her nest, ready to rebuild the colony. To truly solve the problem, you need products that can reach her. Number 2. Multiple hidden colonies can complicate matters. Ants are sneaky little creatures and often have satellite nests tucked away in spots you wouldn't think to check, like wall voids or under appliances. If you don't find and treat these secondary colonies, they can pop up and start infesting again. Number 3. Food sources left unaddressed are a major attractant. Even tiny crumbs can keep ants coming back for more. So, it's not enough to just clean the countertops. You need to do a deep clean and seal all your food in airtight containers to cut off their food supply. Number 4. Water availability near the nest plays a huge role. Ants are drawn to moisture just as much as food, so fixing leaky pipes or dripping faucets is crucial. If they have a steady water source, they'll stick around no matter what you do. Number 5. Using the wrong treatment method can also lead to frustration. Different ant species require different approaches, and a one-size-fits-all spray might not do much if it's not tailored to the specific type of ant you're dealing with. Number 6. Reinvasion from outdoor sources is common too. Ants often come from outside your home, so if you don't treat the areas around your house, new colonies can easily migrate inside. Keeping vegetation trimmed back and sealing entry points is essential to prevent them from moving in. Number 7. Resistance to over-the-counter products is a growing concern. Some ant populations can adapt over time, making common pesticides less effective. It might be time to call in the professionals who have access to stronger solutions that can tackle resistant ants. For more tips and solutions tailored to your pest control needs, check out bighomeprojects.com to find trusted local contractors.